Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, children. Every say, hello, children. Good afternoon. Today, we're going to energize ourselves with a song. Okay, let's sing, everybody. Two little bluebirds sitting on a tree. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. Okay, are you ready to listen to teacher? Again, are you ready? Let's sing another song to energize you. Okay. One chickadee on a top on a tree. Here comes another one. There are two chickadees, 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 chickadees flying over the tree. How many chickadees do we have? Two. Okay, there are two chickadees on a top on a tree. Here comes another one. There are three chickadees, 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 chickadees flying over the tree. How many chickadees do we have? Three. Okay, there are three chickadees on a top on a tree. Here comes another one. There are four chickadees, 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 chickadees flying over the tree. How many chickadees do we have, children? Four. There are four chickadees on a top on a tree. Here comes another one. There are five chickadees, 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 chickadees flying over the tree. Okay. I know now that you are ready to listen to teacher. Now let's review our past lesson. Okay, everybody, you say 95. Will you say 95 again? 95. Another number. What number is this? 96. Will you say 96 again? 96. Very good. Okay, another number. This number is 91. Will you say 91? Again, 91. Next is, what number is this? Will you say 92? Again, 92. Okay, very good. And the last number is 93. Will you say 93? Again, 93. Very good. All of you know the numbers. Okay, give yourselves an angel clap. 1, 2, 3. Angel. Again. 1, 2, 3. Angel. Now, let's go to our lesson. I have here 3 marbles on my left hand. Will you say 3 marbles? Again, 3 marbles. Let's count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many marbles do we have on my left hand? 3. Okay, how about on my right hand? Let's count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many marbles do we have in my right hand? 4. Okay, let's put 3 marbles and 4 marbles together. Let's count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many marbles do we have in all? 7. Will you say 7? Again, 7. Again, 7. Very good. Okay, give yourselves a fire clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, another example is the bond paper. Let's count this bond paper. Will you say bond paper? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bond paper do we have? 4. Will you say 4? Again, 4. Another bond papers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bond papers do we have? 4. Will you say 4? Okay, let's put them together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bond papers do we have in all? 8. Will you say 8? 8. Okay, very good. And the last one is the cards. We'll count the cards separately. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cards do we have? 4. And another one. 1, 2. How many cards? 2. Let's put them together. Let's count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many cards do we have in all? Everybody, children, say 6. Will you say 6? Again, 6. Okay. The process that we use in putting things together like marbles, bond papers, and cards are what we call addition. Again, will you say the putting things together is what we call addition.